Well, I've got a letter in the mail about a seminar for stem cell regeneration, and I didn't know anything about it. I didn't think much about it. Finally, one day I was looking at it, and it was the day that the seminar was, and I was to the point where if I didn't get in the seminar, I was going to schedule a knee replacement that same day. But as it turned out, I got in the seminar, and it hadn't been anything but great. It's no surgery. I'm 1,000 times better than what it was. Pain-wise, I'm probably 70% back to, well, I don't know, 10, 12 years ago. So it's been a good deal for me, instead of having to get my knee cut out and replaced. The stem cell is worked for me. So I really don't know what else to say other than it's well worth the visit to come down here and talk to Dr. Parker and see what he has to say. He'll tell you whether it's worth it or not, if you're a good candidate or if you're not. So anyways, that's kind of my deal, and I highly recommend it. So at least give it a shot.